William, Jake, and Sophie TV. William, Jake, and Sophie TV. Hello everybody, welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm gonna sit down. Boing. Okay. So this is the history of JAWIL33. He was started, I don't know about when he started back in 2018. He was a Halloween character. Next Halloween, I'm gonna leave this account because it's my Roblox account that I want to play with. He was not on Vision Park Fan Club because he doesn't know about the group yet. These were his. Okay, this is the group that called. Oh wait, this is like took a things that everything about the history of him, but these were his games. When he used to play, but I'm gonna cut the video and we're gonna play Roblox now. Okay, guys. I'm gonna do a POV on the Black Horse Space Mountain, so I'm gonna cut the video of it, and I don't want that, so we're not gonna do that. So I'm gonna just play a different game. We're just gonna go and end the video right. No. I'm gonna need to go to Riley, so I'll cut the video. Alright. Okay guys, so this is Riley's Roblox club. He hasn't quit games. In the next video I might go to his house and create a game. Join the date 2017, I know. This is an account. 2017. It's been 2 years since we play Roblox. So you can take these free. Oh, this is free. I opted these items. I'm gonna put these. This is gonna be my Halloween, so we're gonna show you about that in Halloween. This is what's gonna be happening in Halloween. That's gonna be like silly scary. Let me like it because it's good one. Okay, we have 98 free. We got the smile check it. Oh my god, what's that? Get free. Oh, I did got that. Yeah, I'm gonna end the video right now. Bye. William, Jacob, Sophie, DB, subscribe and like if you do to the channel. Okay guys, Crunch is not uploading this weekend, so I might just do one about it. It's a funny video about that. So see you next in a few minutes time. Bye.